Are you looking for ways to be more visible?
Create a brand in marketing. You'll soon understand why brands with a clear purpose, which align with the values of the company, are much more likely to be noticed.
Before we can dive into why you must create a brand in marketing, it's critical we understand what a brand is and who a brand is for. We'll do all of that. Also show you how to create your brand right after this.
We're glad you stopped by today for clarity on creating your brand. In case we haven't met before, I'm David, and this is my wife, Dana. And together we bring you DavidnDana.com, where we empower home business owners with effective breakthrough strategies to boost your home business success.
And if this is your first time visiting our channel, welcome. You'll see we delight in bringing you tips and strategies that work. Before you forget, go ahead and subscribe and ring the bell so you'll be sure to get a special advance notification when we publish our next video training. And if you've been here before, we want you to know we deeply appreciate you and are delighted to have you as part of our growing community. David, I think we're ready now to get back to it. Let me ask you, what is a brand?
Think of your brand as your promise to your customer. It's not just your color scheme or logo. It's what your customers expect you to provide for them, your perceived value. Good brands elicit emotions through the use of content as well as appearance.
Okay, let's take Starbucks for example. What emotion does that brand give you? If you're a coffee drinker, there's a strong emotion that triggers because you know that their product can really give you a pick-me-up kind of treat. That brand Starbucks by itself sells what? Sells coffee.
Remember these 4 things about brands. First, every business has one. Some are better or more memorable than others. Second, brands evoke emotional connection to improve your mood. Third, brands deliver perception so you feel something because of the visual presentation. And fourth, brands communicate a message.
Well, those are good ones, David. Next, who is the brand for?
Well, you're branding yourself as providing the solution to someone's problem. To do that, you must be clear about what unique problem you solve. And who is that someone who you want to serve, whose problem you can solve? Those questions should be in the forefront of your mind as you brand your company. You Incorporated.
You Inc. That's great. It helps us remember we brand ourselves and not the company we represent. More on that to come as we explore 3 reasons why you must create a brand in marketing. Reason number 1, your brand sets you apart from the rest. Let's face it, there are a lot of people out there trying to market the same thing you are, maybe even the same product. How can you compete against someone who's been in the business a long time, or against that cute young blonde, blue-eyed, adorable person that really sparkles? Your first task should be unique. You are you, and what makes you special? Do you have a quality that stands out, like bright green hair or super ninja tech skills? Or maybe you're a homecoming queen charm. We all have something special. Dig a little if you have to, and ask a trusted friend or family member what stands out to them. And then use that uniqueness. Act on it. Perceptions come from actions. What do people see you doing? If you're visible, always be asking, what do people see? Is this who you want to be in the marketplace? When you can do this, you are creating a brand in marketing. Here's some questions to ask. How do I want to be seen? How do I want people to feel? How will they transform from the before, during, and after engaging with you? Incorporate your responses to these questions into the customer journey, into your promise to them, into your brand.
Reason number 2, your brand helps people find you as their solution bringer. When you've created a brand around your solution, people will naturally find you. People are always searching for solutions. So if you provide working moms with time-saving meal plans, they'll find you when they Google meal plans for busy moms. If you brand the company name, they won't necessarily know the company to search for. They are searching for their solution. You've probably done it, like Googling how to cook a certain dish, how to treat a stain in the carpet, how to repair a computer problem, and so on. Maybe there are some related benefits you could offer to brand your company. You always want to match your message to your market. What I mean here is if you sell tires, maybe you have a video for changing a flat tire. By your actions, and a video is one action, people see you as their solution giver. You just showed them how to change a tire. They may trust you for tire sales too. Since being seen means being visible, color schemes and logos can fit in here as well. The key is being found. If bold colors speak to your audience, then use them. If pastels and flowers speak to your audience, use them. You want the right people to find you. You have solutions for those people. If you aren't turning prospects into sales, you may not have found the right prospects who are looking for your solutions yet. When asking how to create your brand, listen so you'll know the right language to use. People will feel like you're speaking to them. You've probably had that experience in church on Sunday when it felt like the pastor was preaching just to you. Or maybe in a marketing webinar, the trainer was saying all the right things to draw you in and help you learn, grow, or want to buy their stuff.
Reason number 3, your brand will create a professional entity that can be valuable. Here's a reason many people don't teach. Remember my legal background? Well, did you know brands can be sold or transferred as property? When you create a brand in marketing as a legal entity, you can pass along that brand. And when you make it legal, you are making a promise to your audience that you are serious about providing the solutions you've established. You will attract loyalty because of those solutions. You and your company brand will be seen as one of authority, much like Starbucks is to coffee. There will be a value to the brand if it is built correctly. It can be sold or interest passed on for generations to come. When you make a brand in marketing that stands out and serves well, it has the potential of providing profit indefinitely. We've heard of brands that were developed and sold for millions of dollars. Well, if you've gotten value from this presentation so far, be sure to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell icon. We'd love it if you'd share this with your audience too.
We'd also like to share about how you start a business with your own brand.
You've probably been told in some way, shape, or form to brand your company. That is a mistaken message from a lot of companies. Why? Because they get a lot of free advertising to have their reps plaster their sales information all over the place. When we tell you to brand your company, we want you to brand you. That way, if you change companies, grow away from one and want to start a new one or go to a different direction, you don't have to rebrand yourself. People follow people.
Exactly. Some steps to follow would be to start with knowing who you are. What are you passionate about? What is your purpose? Your tagline and your logo have to match that.
Well, second, you have to know your competition. To do this, you'll want to do your research to see what others are selling the same stuff and what they're doing. Then do something different. Remember the number 1 reason above? Be unique.
Third, outline the benefits your product or service provides. And fourth, create your logo or tagline to match the above steps.
Building a brand in marketing that is strong and successful should take you some time and effort. Make sure you follow these steps. Maybe you've been marketing for a while and are ready for a rebrand because you just aren't seeing the success with the brand you're using. Again, follow these steps and be sure you have someone you know and trust review and give you their feedback.
In our signature coaching program, Your Pathway to Profit, we devote 2 entire sessions to branding. It's that important. Having a strong foundation for your business is key to having a profitable business. When we work with you on your brand, you'll know exactly how to create your brand around you and never just brand your company. Now, you can watch the next video all about Pathway to Profit, or you can message us for more details on a complete done-for-you branding solution. Let the experts who have helped create thousands of brands do the work for you, so you come out of the gate stronger than most of your competition.
Well, that's a wrap of this training. Until next time, God's blessings to you.